Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the ISP service and having modem/router credentials ready because you will need them to authenticate. Once confirmed, pick an undamaged CAT5E or CAT6 cable. These carry data reliably. Make sure the modem and router are powered off so you avoid link flapping. Plug the cable into the modem's LAN or the router's WAN port depending on your topology. As you connect, listen for the click on the RJ45 plug to ensure a secure physical link. Once the modem shows stable sync lights, power on the router so it receives a clean WAN IP lease. Timing prevents conflicts. Then log into the router's admin page, set the WAN type to DHCP for most connections or PPPoE if your ISP requires credentials, and enter the username/password. Make sure the router's LAN IP and subnet mask don't clash with modem defaults. Adjust the DHCP range to cover your devices. This step establishes routing and address assignment across your local network. Finally, verify connectivity by testing a single device. Ping the router gateway and then a public IP such as 8 to determine whether the issue is DNS or routing. If you don't get through, power cycle modem then router and reset the data cable. Many faults are physical or lease-related. Make sure the router's WAN status shows an assigned IP. As a troubleshooting tip, only perform a factory reset after recording current settings. You can then contact ISP support with exact status details if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.